idea was it to get this color? Remind me again, because I don't remember buying this unit. I don't remember buying this color. Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Auntie TT. For those who know, and for those of you who do, thank you for joining the review. Before we get into the video, don't forget to go ahead and like the video, share the video, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe. Today's wig review, I'll be reviewing the wig Outre Sierra. So go ahead and watch me install the wig, and then come back and I'll give you my 2 cents on whether you should begin this wig up. Let's go. Now you're watching install the wig. Let's go ahead and talk about some specs about the unit. The unit is Outre Sierra in the color DRFF4 Golden Honey. The unit is 24 inches, is heat safe up to 400 degrees. It's transparent HD lace, no plucking required, glueless. It's a 13x6 fully hand-tied lace wig, and it's part of the Perfect Hairline collection. The wig does also come with 3 combs as well as adjustable straps, as well as a wide elastic band for a more secure fit. The unit can be applied fast, easy for effortless, glueless install. These are some of the other colors. Whose idea was it to get this color? Remind me again, because I don't remember buying this unit. I don't remember buying this color. I don't know I don't know what I was doing. I don't know what I was thinking. I got the unit maybe last year or this year. I don't remember when I got it. But I don't remember buying this color. I don't remember picking the color. Like, oh my gosh. What is up with the color? Why did I get this color? Girl, somebody come get me. Because I don't know if I like it. I don't know if I don't like it. But that color is wow. In your face. In your face. So, yeah. So the unit does come with 3 combs, 1 on each side, 1 in the back, as well as adjustable straps and a white elastic band. The texture of the unit is silky, very, very much silky. It does come with the dark roots, which I think that's what the DRFF4 is in the color. Is it bigot friendly? No, I don't think so. Does it have flyaways? Just a little bit. It didn't tangle on me. It didn't shed. Or now that I noticed that it shed, I didn't notice anything. And the lace can be tinted where it looks pretty realistic if you don't want to glue it down and you want to wear it glueless. So this is it with just some mousse, not tied down, just mousse, dab, and this is it. Very pretty, very realistic, and keep in mind it's synthetic. So if you go out, you're gonna see the windows. Be like Auntie Titi said, you can't see the lace, so let me go back. No, it's a synthetic wig. Be realistic. I'm just saying, it's like, it's pretty close to the expensive ones, like the human hair ones, the no see-through ones, you know what I mean? Right here. Oh, you can see my cap right there. That's not good. Yeah, you can see my cap right there. So you might need a black cap. Or you could just use some concealer. Which, let's try. Let's test it out. Let us test it out. A little bit better. So yeah, where would I wear this unit to? That's a great question, because I don't know. I don't know. I'm trying to figure it out right now. Maybe dinner? Date night? If I could get. Oh, you know what? It might be date night. Let me tell you why. I got this dress that I just got. Bright pink. Is it bright pink? Bright pink dress. I think I could pull it off with this hair. Stay tuned. If I decide to wear it, I might take a picture. I don't know. When I go out, I'm just in going out mode. I'm not trying to take pictures or no food, no dress or nothing. But then again, I'm old school, so forgive me. But yeah, if I do wear it out, I would try to make a mental note to take a picture of the hair with the hot pink dress. Okay? But other than that, I don't know where I would wear this hair to. It's so blonde. I don't know. What would I rate the unit on a scale of 1 to 10? There's nothing wrong with the unit. I just don't know where I wear it to because it's so blonde. So I'll probably rate it at 8 just because I don't know where I wear it to. But I need to be mindful that I picked the color. They didn't just mail me any color. Or they probably could have. I waited too long to check. I don't even know anymore. But yeah. But yeah, it's a gorgeous color. I just know I just don't know where I'm gonna wear it to because it's like ba-bam in your face. But it's gorgeous though. It is gorgeous. I like the fact that they added the darker roots because I can absolutely say I cannot stand brightly colored units, reds, blondes, specifically reds and blondes. I'm trying to think of any other color, and orangish, like copper tone, and don't have darker roots. It's just the color. And then I gotta add the dark roots because I'm a dark root girl, so I just feel like it looks more realistic with the dark roots. But it could just be me, so if it doesn't come with it, I add it. So call me what you want, but that's me. But other than that, this is a great unit. Again, I don't know what I'm wearing it to. If you have any suggestions, let me know. I work from home. I probably could wear it on one of my videos. Start a conversation. Oh, you dyed your hair blonde? Yes, I did. You like it? I'm playing. But yeah, if you guys end the video, you know what I'm saying. You are the real MVP. Don't forget to like the video, share the video. I'll see you in the next week. Bye, guys.